At first, Mary Lou Robertson felt very lonely when she moved to her new home in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. But then, she made some new friends. But her new friends weren't boys or girls. They were birds. Every morning, Mary Lou goes out to watch the birds in her area. She needs to stay very quiet and still. Mary Lou first became interested in birds when her teacher asked her to write about a bird for a school project. But watching and writing about birds soon became her hobby. She often goes to parks or wildlife areas and watches the different birds. She knows many different types of birds, but sometimes she finds a new one.
I don't know what that is. Whoa!
Mary Lou uses the internet to find out more about new birds and sometimes draws pictures of them, which she used to make her own book about birds.
Hi, my name is Aussie the Osprey. I live in rivers, lakes, and coastal waterways. Hi, I'm Olivia the Owl. I give 6 deep hoots.
Mary Lou still likes to do the same things as other children. She plays with her brother and sister and likes to go swimming. But after spending time watching birds, she thinks a little differently.
I feel that everything around me is important. I look at everything I can.
Everything she sees might be something exciting and a chance to learn something new.